don't add serial number in your Microsoft Word table manually like this, because when you add new row, you have to do this all again manually, or if you shuffle row like this, then you have to do it manually again. Instead, a better way is to number like this. So even if you add a new row, so the number will automatically take care, or even if you shuffle a row up or down like this, so numbering will not get disturbed and you don't have to worry about it. So let's see how to do this. First of all, select the cell that you want to number. Then you simply go to the Home tab. In this paragraph group, click on this number and then select the number format that you want, and you get this number. So now if you move your row, add or delete row, the serial number will automatically be updated. You don't have to worry about it. And if you feel that there is some more space before the serial number, you select all the cells. Then in the paragraph group, click on this bottom right arrow, and from here you can change it to none and change the indentation to 0. The spaces before number will be removed. That's it. If you feel that this video was helpful, please let us know in the comments or by pressing the like button.